And so here we are inside of a dashboard. If your account is brand new, then it probably looks pretty empty, kind of like this one. But we're going to go ahead and create your first product by going up to the Products tab and clicking on Products. Then this orange button over here says New Product. You guessed it, click right there. In your product name, just what is your best-selling product that you have right now? Maybe you sold a ton of some ebook, or you've got a best-selling course, whatever that might be for you. I'm going to do Live Fitness Boot Camp is what I'll choose. You can give your product a quick description. This is used in things like order receipts. And then from this drop-down menu, you choose what type of product you want. You can have one-time products. You can have subscriptions or recurring. You can have payment plans or limited subscriptions. You can even do pay-what-you-want pricing. In this example, we're going to do one-time payment, right? One-time payment, call it $49. And I just go ahead and click Create Product. What SamCart's doing behind the scenes is setting up all kinds of stuff. You'll have a checkout page. You'll have an embed link you can use. You'll have whatever, all kinds of different things. You will see a lot of different settings we can walk through here inside of product settings. All I'm going to do is just actually add a product image really quick. I can upload something from my desktop. I can use any uploaded files I've already uploaded here. SamCart saves all that for you. I'm just going to add this as a quick product image and click Save Changes. And now from here, if I go to the Checkout Anywhere tab, I can really quickly preview what my page looks like by going to Express, copying that button, and just opening this in a new tab. So open it up to a new tab, and what I have here is a very, very simple checkout page, right? Lightning fast. This is SamCart's new Express technology is what we call it, and it's going to have some cool stuff kind of baked in. So we'll talk more about how to add things in like stored credit cards or one-click Apple Pay or buy now, pay later options, all that kinds of stuff, but we'll save that for another video. That is how you create a product. Go create your first product today.